Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove green screen in Filmora. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Wondershare Filmora application on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the page where all of your recent projects will be displayed. Simply open the target one and this type of interface will open up. Now, make sure that the target clips are already imported in your project. If they aren't, then just click on the import section and then select all of the files. In the older versions, you could just remove the green screen by right-clicking on the video layer and then selecting green screen. But now, the process is changed, so in order to remove it, follow me. Once you have the videos imported, navigate to the right side panel and access AI Tools section. Inside it, enable the chroma key feature and your green screen will be removed automatically. You can also change the color of the screen if you want from this menu. In order to remove a unique color, click on the eyedropper tool and select it. You can see that I am able to remove the white color with it. Then, if I select green again, the effect will be reversed. So that's basically how you can remove green screen in Filmora. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.